Hi, my name is Chris Sisto. I'm Director of Marketing and a Product Manager here at Cliniconex. Today we'll be talking about our automated care messaging solution and showing you how it works. Let's dive right into it.
Logging into the app. In order to log into the Cliniconex automated care messaging app, you'll want to navigate to pcc.cliniconex.com/user app. You can do so using any modern day browser on a laptop, computer, mobile phone, or tablet. The choice is yours. Once you arrive at this page, you'll be presented with two buttons. If you're a point-click care customer and have EHR integration, you'll be able to log in by clicking the button below and using your existing point-click care credentials. Otherwise, Cliniconex will have provided you with a username and password, which you can use here. Sending your first message. Once you've logged in, you'll see a screen that looks a lot like this one. You'll see a search bar, a list of all the different templates you have available to you, as well as a bright orange compose button located at the bottom right-hand corner. This allows you to compose a message from scratch. However, note that whether you're doing that or using a template, the user interface is exactly the same, with the only difference being that the template has been preloaded with existing content. In this case, let's say that we want to send out a gastro outbreak notice to our facility. Depending on the contact preferences set by your organization and the contact information available in your EHR, Cliniconex will send voice, SMS, or email messages to your resident family contacts. Thankfully, our system handles all of that in the background, and all you have to do is fill in the following couple fields. The To field allows you to select which facility and which units you want to target. In this case, let's say that all of the units have been affected, and we'll hit Apply. The next thing we'll want to do is determine the subject line. This will be used in the subject of your email, as well as in the introductions for SMS and voice messages. The next thing you'll want to do is review the message and ensure it looks good, or if you need to, add additional content, just as you would type an email. You'll notice that there's also a little plus button here. This allows you to insert variables such as the facility name and unit name, which will change dynamically depending on who is receiving that message. Once you feel your message is ready to go, we recommend you send yourself a test message before proceeding. You can do so by clicking the test button up here, selecting the medium you want to test, whether that's voice, text, or email, and hitting send. Note that what you'll receive is a sample that matches exactly what your resident family contact would receive. Once you're happy with the tests and you're ready to send the real message, it's time to click send. You'll be presented with a final confirmation message ensuring that you're targeting the right facility, the right units, and asking you whether you want to contact priority or all contacts. Priority contacts follow your organization's preferred settings, whether that's configured to 1, 2, or 3 contacts per resident. All, on the other hand, should be used in case of emergency situations or for messages that need to reach the broadest possible audience. In this case, the message will be sent to all contact types that have been approved by your organization, which could be a lot of people, so please make sure that's really what you want to do. Once you're ready, click send, and that's it. The message has been sent. Hopefully you meant to send it because there's no going back.
Thanks a lot, really appreciate your time. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help.